He's going to have to back it up. And how is he going to back up that ship? This is a little worrisome, to be honest. What happens if they end up with a big oil spill there? If he grounds that sucker, then that will be a big oil spill. It's got to be getting shallow there. Come look at this, Connie.
The ship's gonna crash!
This ship looks like it's trying to make a U-turn, except look at it. It's like how close to shore it is. I've never seen anything like that. Isn't that worrisome? I wonder if something's happened on board. Oh no.
Maybe that's that noise.
It is. It's probably its engines working. Oh my god. Is that the noise of it scraping? Let's see here.
It stopped. Look at that ship! What happened? Before we had a like that. It crashed? When the smoke still coming.
I'm guessing there's something wrong with the ship.
And it wouldn't come. Dad, Gabe, look here. Gabe, don't wear that up here. It'll drop. What the hell? Look at the ship. It's going to crash. Already has. What the hell? What the bloody hell? Look, the ship.